Aria's watching TV with, watching the computer with Daddy.
Watching the car.
She's watching the car. Oh, baby's gonna get up there now too. Look at her, look at her. Look at her.
She's gonna have a personality and a half.
She is. Look at her. That's funny as hell. Look at her, look at her.
I know. It's so cute. Look, where's it going?
Oh, oh.
She pounces, get it, and click it, you know?
She's gonna.
She's gonna pounce on that screen. That's too cute. That is just too cute. Hey, that's $10,000 right there, buddy. That's a $10,000 video, you know?
If she jumps at that screen, it is.
He actually hates the go-kart.
We're not watching what's on the screen, watching the cat, but the cat's watching on the screen. She's watching what she's doing. That's so cute. That's just too fucking cute. Yeah, she's like, where are they going? When they just clear off the screen, they're like, she's like looking for him. You can tell she's totally watching because of the movement of her head. She's totally intent. Oh no, make it more sturdy for her. I want to see her pounce at the screen.
Yeah, let her get on there.
I don't want to see her scratch.
No, it's not.
Oh, hey, I'd buy you a new one if we got $10,000. Shit.
I don't think she'll scratch it. I think she'll paw at it, but I don't think she'll put her claws out because she's too interested in what's going on. You know, she's intense. Look at that face. Yeah. See how she's feeling that? She's not gonna scratch the screen. See, she's feeling it. You getting it?
Yeah.
That's too cute. Where'd he go? You know what, Nels? Put on one of the kitty cat videos and see what she does. Oh, that was too cute. You're no fun, Dad.